Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. We are doing evolution stories of these characters. New update, February 25, you can evolve so many characters. We'll also be doing or finishing all these remaining... What the heck is this? Reach level 30 to unlock Roxy and Whirlipede. We'll also do that later on, guys. In the meantime, this is Maylene. Evolution stories. Before that, a day with Maylene first, guys. We'll do the first option, enjoy watching the first option, and then we'll evolve her Pokemon. Here we go. Hello. Okay, 1 meal per day, guys. I am actually going to have no food in 3 days. Zero food. Not a single berry. Not a single coffee. Just water, water, water for 3 straight days. Wish me luck, guys. I've been... Yes, my parents are concerned. My friends are even concerned. My students are also concerned. My teacher is concerned.
Yeah?
But, yeah. 3 days, zero food, just water. And it's been almost 32 hours, guys. Almost 32 hours.
Thank you so much.
If you're curious, you can ask me in the comment section how I'm doing. But right now, sometimes hungry, sometimes not. Not exactly I can survive this for now. But tomorrow in yoga training, good luck to me. And that's it. I talk the whole thing. This is Meditite's evolution, guys. Meditite's evolution. We have 111 evolution shards. Still super, super excessive. And let's do this. Again, I will try to show you the sync move before evolution and after evolution.
Thank you so much. Focus. Alrighty. Here I go.
Scary. Aboma snow.
Time to get focused.
Time to get focused. I hope I don't kill
All right.
the opponent.
Get ready.
6, which means
I got this.
I need to hit him at least 2 times.
I got
Yes, a miss. Perfect. Okay. What the? She's gonna use a sync move immediately? Guys, if you've been playing only recently, let me tell you that before, when the opponent uses a sync move, all your boosts go back to 0. The game has become kinder since our boosts stay the same. Yeah, before it was a lot harder. A lot harder.
target. That's it.
He froze me. But that is okay.
That's it.
Sync move.
Whenever you're ready, get ready.
Fighting sync impact. And what the heck? Whenever you're ready, get ready? What?
That was awesome. Woohoo!
Isn't that more of an oxymoron? Whenever you're ready, get ready. What the?
Amazing. What?
You know, it's probably better if the Pokemon like go hyper or shine or something. They show that. But it's fine. Not really complaining. Just a suggestion.
All our hard work paid off.
Barefoot high jump kick. Okay, awesome. Let's try it out. Let us try it out. I hope Medicham isn't strong enough to not, to kill off the opponent with 2 hits because we want to showcase our sync move. Let's skip the conversation. Try to use Medicham's sync move. Barefoot high jump kick.
All right. Get ready.
Don't die, okay? Don't die. Oh my gosh. He might die. Don't die. Don't die. Don't die. Don't die. Yes!
Here's my chance. Take this. Gotta stay focused. All right. Take this. That's it. Right on target. That's
Get
it.
ready for the sync move, guys.
Right on target.
Sync move time. What? What? Oh man, he got killed by hail. Oh man. I was ready to see that. Come on, one more battle. One more battle.
Amazing.
That was horrible. How could you? I want to weaken myself, guys, but I am at level 115. It's gonna be hard. We can probably wait for the opponent to use X defense first. Or hope that our attacks miss. Let's wait for the opponent. Wait for you to do something first.
Get ready.
Okay, activation.
Got this.
X defense, come on.
I got
There you go. What?
Here's my chance.
Come on. That is fail. Let's do it again. Why did you become a critical hit? Skip.
Time to get focused.
Wait for the opponent.
Right. Get ready. I got this. I got this.
Now don't critical.
Here's my chance.
Good.
Gotta stay focused. All right. Right on target.
Heal will kill you if I don't be careful.
Right on target. That's it. Take this. Now,
Better move fast. Don't die. Don't die.
gotta stay focused. All right.
And I think it's our turn.
Whenever you're ready, get ready.
There you go again. Whenever you're ready, get ready. And with that said,
Was awesome.
that was awesome. We have finished our objective for this video. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching.
Amazing.
If you enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't. And guys, a few more evolution stories left. I'll see you guys in the next video.